Assalamualaikum 3 class. How are you all? Today we will solve these exercise based on chapter number 1 to 4. So let's start. Our first question, choose the correct answer. CRT and LCD are type of dash. Option A printer, option B mouse, option C monitor, and answer is option C monitor. Which one is the permanent memory? Option A both, option B only ROM, option C only RAM, and answer is option B only ROM. Third, out of delete and backspace keys, which deletes character to the right of the cursor? Option A both, option B only delete key, option C only backspace key, and answer is option B only delete key. A dash is used to play games on the computer. Option A joystick, option B scanner, option C printer. Answer is option A joystick. A dash gives the result on paper. Option A scanner, option B printer, option C monitor, and answer is option B printer. A dash is a pointing device. Option A scanner, option B monitor, option C mouse, and answer is option C mouse. A dash is used to record your voice. Option A speaker, option B microphone, option C printer, and answer is option B microphone. Should we press keys of the keyboard gently or hard? Option A gently, option B hard, option C any way we want. Answer is option A gently. Should we eat or drink in computer room and thus make it filthy? Option A yes, option B no, option C cannot say, option B no. Is it required to cover your computer with covers after using it? Option A yes, option B no, option C cannot say, and answer is option A yes. You should keep the mouse on the dash. Option A gamepad, option B mousepad, option C touchpad, and answer is option B mousepad. Always sit dash in your chair in front of the computer. Option A straight, option B bent, option C laying. Answer is option A straight. Next, dash means to close the computer. Option A open, option B shut down, option C drag, and answer is option B shut down. Dash is used to switch on or switch off the computer. Option A power button, option B open button, option C move button, and answer is option A power button. The taskbar contains dash in the right corner. Option A start menu, option B clock, option C picture puzzle, and answer is option A start button. Next, small pictures on desktop are called dash. Option A items, option B icons, option C images, and answer is option B icons. The button in the left corner of the taskbar is called dash button. Option A start, option B slide, option C sun, and answer is option A start. Microsoft Windows 7 is an dash system. Option A online, option B operating, option C offline, and answer is option B operating. Next, dash is a gadget in Windows 7. Option A cat, option B car, option C clock, and answer is option C clock. How many tools do you see in the tools group of paint? Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4, and answer is option A 6. What is the color of the drawing area of paint? Option A white, option B black, option C yellow, and answer is option A white. What effect do pressing Alt plus F4 have on paint program? Option A opens new file, option B saves current file, option C close the program, and answer is option C closes the program. Next, dashbar display the name of the program. Option A twinkle, option B title, option C toggle, and answer is option B title. You can draw and color pictures on computer by using the dash program. Option A paint, option B paste, option C perk, and answer is option A paint. Paint program is present in dash. Option A Adobe, option B start menu, option C accessories, and answer is option B start menu. Next, fill in the blanks. Printouts are also called dash, hard copy. Dash is the longest key on the keyboard, spacebar. Dash is fixed inside the CPU box, hard disk. Dash is a set of instructions that runs on the computer software. Dash controls all the functions of a computer system, CPU. Dash looks like a TV screen, monitor. Always press the keys of the keyboard. Dash gently. You should not touch the dash when the computer is on. Wires. You should keep your computer dash clean. Dash the computer after using it. Cover. Do not dash or dash in the computer room, eat or drink. The band present at the bottom of desktop is called the dash taskbar. Next, dash means to close the program. All the programs on the computer shut down. A dash is a set of instructions, software. Dash are the tools used to see the information, gadgets. VDU stands for dash, visual display unit. Dash is an input device, keyboard. It is an arrow printed on it. It is the dash key. Backspace. Windows 7 dash are calendar, clock, weather, puzzle, picture, puzzle, etc. Gadgets. To close Paint, you can press Alt plus F and press X. Write the T for true and F for false. F1, F2, so on F12 are number keys. False, it's function keys. A mouse looks like TV screen. False. Computer memory consists of 3 parts. False. Enter key is the longest key on the keyboard. False. Enter key क्या है? Longest key नहीं है. Delete key is used to erase the character to the right of the cursor. True. M's Paint and M's Word are software programs. True. Sit very close to the monitor. False. Touch the wires when the power button is on. False. You should run in the computer lab. False. Do not eat or drink in the computer lab. True. Clock and weather are gadgets in Windows 7. True. Date and time appear on the right corner of the taskbar. True. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. True. RAM stands for random available memory. False. RAM stands for random access memory. The horizontal bar at the top of the Paint window is called spacebar. False. Next we have a key terms. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. VDU Visual Display Unit. ALU Arithmetic and Logic Unit. CU Control Unit. MU Memory Unit. RAM Random Access Memory. ROM Read Only Memory. Next, click a sound that hear when a mouse button is pressed. UPS Uninterrupted Power Supply. CD Compact Disc. Power button. It is a button used to switch on or off the computer. Shutdown. To close the computer is known as shutdown. Software is a set of instructions. Menu bar consists of Paint button, Home tab and View tab. Status bar displays help messages and position of the mouse pointer. Okay students, solve these exercise on your notes and also learn them. Okay students, have a nice day.